Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your USDT around. Today, I'm walking you through a complete guide on how to transfer USDT from Binance to Coinbase. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Coinbase, and that you have some USDT in your Binance wallet. If you don't, deposit it first or buy it directly on Binance. Now, log into your Binance account and head to the Wallet section. From there, select Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for USDT in the withdrawal options. You'll see a list of networks like ERC20, BEP2, or TRC20. For transferring to Coinbase, I recommend using the ERC20 network since it's widely compatible, but check Coinbase's supported networks to avoid any issues. Once you've selected the right one, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Don't forget to look at the fees. They can vary based on the network, so choose wisely to save some cash. Now, the crucial part. Paste your Coinbase wallet address. You can find this by logging into Coinbase, going to your account, and copying the address for USDT. Double check that it's correct. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. After that, hit Withdraw and confirm the transaction with any required 2FA or security measures. Sit tight while the transfer processes. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Coinbase and check your wallet. Your USDT should be there. If it's not showing up right away, give it some time and maybe refresh the page. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your USDT from Binance to Coinbase. Remember, crypto transfers aren't reversible, so always verify details and use secure connections. If you run into any hiccups, reach out to the exchange support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.